Welcome to Plann Plus. You've unlocked even more amazing features that are going to supercharge your social media strategy. In this video, we'll go through a few of our favorite perks of Plann Plus, but keep in mind there's even more to discover. First, let's head to our hashtag feature. Once you understand the importance of hashtags, you won't ever want to post without them. This is because hashtags categorize your content in the algorithm and boost your discoverability. With Plann Plus, you've unlocked the full hashtag manager, which means you can create countless amounts of sets and variations. So say hello to a ton of new eyes on your content. To create your own hashtag set, simply name it, manually add the hashtags you want to use, and select Save Set. You'll see all your saved sets on the right-hand side. If you want done-for-you hashtag sets that our team has curated, you can head to suggested hashtag sets and type in your industry or keywords related to your industry. How easy is that? Let's head to another little feature you've just unlocked with Plann Plus and one of my personal favorites, First Comment. The common complaint with hashtags is that they can look clunky or distracting when added to your caption. That's why we created First Comment, which is a perfect spot for you to sneakily add your hashtags to a post. Select the Add First Comment icon. From here, select the hashtag icon. Go ahead and select your set, and then hit Save. Now when you schedule this post for auto-posting, the first comment will auto-post alongside with it. Are you still with me? Good. Let's go to strategy. Your strategy shouldn't just be one and done, but rather something you revisit time and time again and improve upon. With Plann Plus, you have unlimited custom strategy tools, so you can nail a customized strategy that works best for you. On the left, you have strategy tiles. These are placeholders for your content. You can use our top content themes or create your own. Once you're ready, drag and drop your tiles onto your grid so you can see what's coming up next in your strategy. If you're finding yourself completely lost when it comes to strategy, have no fear. Head to content prompts and you can search for a strategy that our team has created specifically for your industry. The next thing you've unlocked with Plann Plus is our team tool. Let's talk about it. Communication when it comes to content is vital. That's why we've made it super easy to make suggestions and approve content. Simply select the chat icon to start a conversation. To approve content, go ahead and select the check mark. You'll now see on the grid when content has been approved because it will have the little chat icon with the check mark inside it. The last but certainly not least feature we'll cover that's included with Plann Plus is cross-post. Cross-post is going to make your life so much easier and helps you to be active on multiple platforms at once. Let me show you how to use it. Right above your caption, you'll see the main platform that this post will be going live on. To add other platforms to post to, go ahead and select the plus icon. From here, let's tick what other platforms we want this post to go live on. Now I can go ahead and edit that post specifically for each platform. As you see highlighted, this is the post that will go live on Instagram. If I click on Facebook, I can then go ahead and tweak this post specifically for Facebook. I might do things like add different hashtags, shorten my caption, or try different strategies so I know that this content is really personalized to Facebook. You can also auto-post these at different times, as we know audiences are present on different social media platforms at different times of the day. Once I select the time, I'll go ahead and schedule the to post. Now, these are just a few of the features you've unlocked with Plann Plus, but there's so many more where that came from. And until next time, happy planning.